Fault history is stored in the configuration level of the Vitodens 100, B1HA, and B1KA boilers. The boiler will store the last 10 faults, 1 being the most recent fault, and 10 being the oldest fault since the history was reset. To view the fault history, start from the home screen. Press the mode icon. Press the down arrow icon until the configuration symbol is flashing. Press the OK icon. The display will show P0 with the 0 flashing. Press the up arrow icon until 10 is displayed in the right-hand symbol. Press the OK icon. The newest fault will be displayed in the fault history menu. Use the up arrow icon to scroll through the last 10 faults. If there are less than 10 faults, the display will stop at the oldest fault. The left column shows the order from 1 to 10, and the right column displays the fault code. The fault history can be cleared by pressing and holding the reset icon until the display shows fault 1 has a value of 0, 0. When you are finished in fault history, press the return key icon a few times to return to the home screen. Fault code descriptions can be found in the product service manuals, on the Viessmann Canada or US websites, and in the B1HA web-based app under Pro Toolbox. The B1HA app can be accessed from any web browser at the address shown. Save it as a tile on your phone or a bookmark in your browser for easy access.